All right, guys, so here we go with Module 1, Section 3. These are some pretty heavy-hitting concepts. We're going to kind of go over them in a little bit of a simplistic manner. So, like, when I say the word conservation, what does that mean to you? What does conservation mean? When I think of conservation, usually I think about, like, the environment. Well, what that means is, like, conservation is, for us, to not lose, all right? Or gain, to not lose or gain, right? So there's conservation. It's an important idea. And so when we start talking about this, what does the word mass mean? Well, mass is the amount of matter. And matter is what everything is made of. So it's the amount of matter. That's what mass is. We're looking at the amount. Okay. Now, energy is kind of a weird term. We're going to talk a little bit more about this in class, but energy is the ability to do work. And a follow-up question is, what's work? What is this definition? What is this thing that we are dealing with? Flip this line up for a minute. There we go. What does it mean? And so these are things that are difficult to describe because of what they are. All right. We all understand what energy is, but it's really hard to like say, oh, this is give it a word definition. So here, conservation of mass, what this means is matter cannot, and this is not, cannot, like right there, cannot be, over here a little bit, be created or destroyed. Okay? So when we talk about mass, conservation of mass, matter cannot be created or destroyed. It can be changed. And we understand that because you can change water to ice, or you could take coal, burn it, and make CO2. So we're changing that carbon. We're not getting rid of it. We're just altering it. Whereas conservation of energy is energy. And I'm not going to write cannot be created nor destroyed. So here, the amount of energy in the universe is constant, which is kind of weird to think about, all right, or destroyed. So here we take energy, this concept that we all understand intrinsically, but it's really hard to put vocab to. The amount that we have can't change. Same with mass. The amount of mass that we have here cannot change. And so this is what we have. This is our laws of conservation. Excuse me. So here, we're going to go through these pictures and we're going to talk about it. All right. And we can talk about, well, how is matter, conserved? How is energy conserved? And that's something that we will do in class.